Okay, we're moving on with the next tutorial here on the free website trial, and we're going to go into cart settings, payments methods. Now this is fairly straightforward, nothing major here. You can sign up for PayPal, Google. These how good these websites are. PayPal, Google, and that's basically about it on these ones. These are shortcuts, and you just click the buttons. If you haven't got a PayPal account, just check on that. But if you have check on that. But if you have one, you're 100%. Don't even need to do any more work. So now we're going to enable a gateway for you to get paid. Okay, so we check this box here, and these are the amount of people or different accounts that you can have. WorldPay is down the bottom there, and I covered this all before. Now I only use PayPal, so what we'll do is then we'll get to set up a PayPal account straight away. This will only take 2 minutes. So click on PayPal, paypal.com. Click on the gateway, enable it, and there's one more thing for you to do. Now here we go. Basically nothing to do here. Now I've set it up already that my business account in PayPal is called Test at Test. I don't have that. So just make sure that you're PayPal, paypal.com. The protocol is HTTPS. The priority is 1. Just leave everything there. You can't change that. URL to gateway. Now don't change any of this. Put in your PayPal account. Now it's best that you open up a PayPal. Go to PayPal first, open an account, add it in there. Now you can actually test it, or you can make it live. Now mine's live at the moment. Now this is a feature which is quite handy as well. You can actually get paid in dollars, euro, or sterling, or Japanese yen, Canadian dollars, Australian dollars. Now that's quite handy, that is. I get paid in US dollars. Payment action is a sale, and you can change that to authorization. I leave it to sale. And payment form title. Now this is already automatically set up in your shopping cart. Once you enable this, you can go through and have a look for yourself. Go through and buy it. But that actually go into PayPal. You'll actually see all this coming up in your shopping cart. Now you can amend. This is what shows up in your shopping cart before the customer actually goes in to buy. And it's fairly straightforward. You can add in here stuff all you want. And I'll be going through this here. This is the most important feature in your website, and I'll show you. It's so easy to use. If you don't know how to use one before, it's so easy. If you're a complete beginner and you're looking at this and you're saying to yourself, "Geez, no chance of me learning how to do this," I'll be running through step by step every button in here that you need to use. So there's no problem there. Here we'll just unclick that there, and it goes back to where it is. That's the code. So you can actually change that as well, but just leave that there. That's grand. And you can actually have a thank you note here. Thanks for shopping at your business name. You can write a big letter here, all you want. And to make that slightly bigger, you click on it and click on it again. Again, I can make it bigger. Click and click. And there you go. You can write in a big massive letter in there. And what you do then is you save the changes. Once you're happy with everything there you've done, so just run through it again. You've got your email account set up in PayPal. It's live. It's in US dollars. That's what currency you get paid in. So no matter what they go through on the shopping cart, they go through euro, they go through Japanese yen, what you get paid in PayPal is US dollars. Okay, so we say and you'll see it coming up now, and that's you're active. And you can have another one there if you want to go through with something else, WorldPay or whatever you want. I don't use these myself, just PayPal is what I use, and I haven't set any of these up, but it's fairly straightforward. Again, the Google one, you get an account, with Google checkout, and it's fairly self-explanatory. But just make sure, one word of warning, make sure that you check to see that these work. Your currency converters and your PayPal accounts, and that's you done. There's no more for you to do. Okay, then we'll move on to the next one then.